Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie and this is Julie's Pastry Kitchen. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification button so that you can get notified every time we post a new video. So today we are going to learn about how to beat whipped cream and also how to add color on whipped cream. So let's begin. So here I have 2 portions of whipped cream and our color. So I'll start by adding in the color first since it's powder. This is so that it can mix well and so that it doesn't have particles of that color. So our colors have mixed in well and we're going to start with yellow because I had yellow and pink. We're going to start beating the yellow on medium speed using the mixer, and we'll also keep on checking on it so that it cannot overbeat. So guys, our whipped cream is almost ready, so we're just going to beat it for, let's say, like 40 seconds or so. And also, as the video went on, if you noted, I added a little of vanilla extract in the whipped cream. So the vanilla extract is just to give the whipped cream a nice vanilla smell. And I also added some on the pink mixture. You can add them at any point you want. It's not a problem. You can add them at any point you want. So we're going to continue beating our yellow whipped cream for a few seconds. So now our whipped cream is ready. As you can see, it has the steady peaks. So now it's time to beat our second color. So our pink color is also done. As you can see, it has those peaks, the steady peaks. So once the whipped cream is ready, we can use different nozzles to make different patterns. if you watched this video and you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly go like, subscribe, click on the notification button so that you can get notified every time we post a video. Until next time, bye!